Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm sharing with you a super easy and delicious recipe, a classic chicken salad that is perfect for spring and summer. Whether you want a light, refreshing meal or a tasty sandwich filling, this recipe has got you covered. So let's get started. All right, for today it's very simple and quick. Like I said, we have here a baked chicken. You can use a store-bought or you can bake your own chicken, okay? And I'm also using chicken thighs. You can use chicken breast. It works perfectly. I also have some spring onion, celery, walnut, and grapes. So I'll go ahead to chop them, or you can shred your chicken into bite-sized pieces and transfer it into a bowl. For a nice pop of flavor and color, I'll go ahead to chop my spring onions. You can also use the red or the white onion depending on your preference, okay? I'll then add it to the chicken, then move on to the next step, which is our celery. And with this recipe, it's a must to have celery in it because it gives us that fresh, crunchy taste, okay? So I'll go ahead to chop them into smaller pieces. Now for a little sweetness, I'm using grapes, but you can pick any type. It could be the red, green, or the black. Just chop them in half or quarters depending on their size. Next, I'll go ahead to chop up some walnuts, okay? This adds a great crunchy and a touch of richness to the salad. Now, to bring everything together in a bowl with the chopped chicken, the spring onion, celery, grapes, and the walnut, now it's time to add in our dressing. I'm using 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, just enough to coat everything nicely. Then a little salt for taste and a sprinkle of dry parsley for extra flavor. Now we'll give everything a good mix until everything is well combined. Just look at that. So fresh, creamy, and packed with flavor. And if you're looking for a low carb option, serve this delicious chicken salad in lettuce wraps for a light and refreshing meal. Or if you're in the mood for sandwich, just grab a bread and make yourself a classic chicken salad sandwich, perfect for lunch or a picnic. And there you have it, guys, a quick and easy classic chicken salad that is perfect for a warm days. It's creamy, crunchy, and full of flavor. Let me know in the comment how you like to enjoy your chicken salad. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the bell notification so you never miss out on any of my new videos. Until next time, please stay blessed and happy. Bye, guys!